from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a Scrappy 9-patch pumpkin. Fun! Scrappy is the best, and it's fall, so pumpkins are in order. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. To make a Scrappy 9-patch pumpkin block, what you will need are 9 orange pumpkin squares. These ones are 2.5 inches. A 1.5 inch square for your stem, 4 2-inch squares to go on the corners of your pumpkin, and 2 1.5 by 3-inch rectangles that will go on either side of your stem. So what we're going to want to do first is arrange our 9-patch. Once you get your 9-patch arranged, you're just going to sew that into rows and then sew your rows together so that you have your 9-patch. Once we get our 9-patch made, we're going to take our 2-inch background squares and we're going to draw a diagonal line through them. Then we're going to place those on each of the corners and sew on those diagonal lines. Once you get your squares sewn on, you're going to iron it back. Make sure that your corner is covered, and then we can trim the seam allowance. And that will complete the pumpkin portion of our block. Now we're going to do the stem part. So we're going to take the stem and we're going to sew it between the 1.5 by 3-inch background rectangles. So we'll take that to the sewing machine and sew a 1/4 inch. Once we get our stem sewn between our background, then we're just going to sew our stem on top of our pumpkin. Right sides together, 1/4 inch. And that will give you your Scrappy 9-patch pumpkin. Just rinse and repeat. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye!